This is the viral claim you sent us. That as COVID-19 has filled the news, the House of Representatives has been working on a bill that will add a 30% tax on guns, a 50% tax on ammo, and require licenses for purchasing or owning any of them. So is this claim true? To verify, we went straight to the bill itself, H.R. 5717, or the Gun Violence Prevention and Community Safety Act of 2020. Now, it was introduced to the House of Reps in January and then referred to a subcommittee. So it still has to pass the subcommittee, be voted on by the House, the Senate, and the President to become law. So would it actually add taxes on guns and ammo? Yes. About 250 pages in is a section called Imposition of Tax. Guns would have a 30% sales tax. Quote, shells and cartridges would have a 50% sales tax. And according to the bill, the money raised by those taxes would go towards gun violence research and prevention. But would the bill require licenses for owning or purchasing a gun? Yes. Page 4 makes it illegal to purchase or own a firearm without a federal or state license. Requirements to get one: be 21 years old, complete a training class, pass a background check, and not have any legal reasons preventing you from owning a gun. Bottom line, if H.R. 5717 passed as currently written, it would add taxes to guns and ammo and would require anyone who buys or owns guns to get a license. Claim verified. If you've got other claims for us to look into, send us an email. With your Verify, I'm Jason Puckett.